Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back to our today's mathematics class. Let's move to our today's interesting activities.
Look at this question. The school store buys pens from a wholesaler. He has pens of 6 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees, and 9 rupees. 72 pens of 7 rupees are bought. What is the total cost? Next question. If pens of 8 rupees are bought for the same amount, how many would be got? Next one. How many if pens of 9 rupees are bought? Then last question. If pens of 6 rupees are bought, how many more pens would get than those of 9 rupees? Students listen. The wholesaler has pens of 6 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees and 9 rupees. How many pens of 7 rupees are bought? 72 pens of 7 rupees are bought. Then what is the total cost? To find out the cost of these 72 pens, multiply 72 and 7. 72 into 7. 7 into 2. 14. 4 here and 1 is the carryover. 7 into 7. 49. Plus 150. 504. Cost of 72 pens of 7 rupees equals 504 rupees. Next question. If pens of 8 rupees are bought for the same amount, how many would be got? Listen students. Pens of 8 rupees are bought for the same amount. That means the cost of pens of 8 rupees equals the cost of 72 pens of 7 rupees. So, we can write that cost of pens of 8 rupees equals 504 rupees. So, to find out the number of pens for this 504 rupees, divide 504 by 8. 504 divided by 8. Take the first digit 5. 5 is less than 8. Take the next digit also. We get the number 50. There is not 50 in the multiplication table of 8. So, we can take 48. How many times? 6 times. 6 into 8, 48. 50 minus 48, 2. Write down this 4 here. We get the number 24. 3 times. 3 into 8, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. We get the quotient 63. So, number of pens of 8 rupees equals 63 pens. Next question. How many if pens of 9 rupees are bought? That means again pens of 9 rupees are bought for the same amount 504 rupees. Therefore, to find out the number of pens of 9 rupees, we have to divide 504 by 9. 504 divided by 9. Take the first digit 5. 5 is less than 9. Take the next digit also. We get the number 50. There is not 50 in the multiplication table of 9. So we have to take 45. How many times? 5 times. 5 into 9, 45. 50 minus 45, 5. Write down this 4 here. We get the number 54. 6 times. 6 into 9, 54. 54 minus 54, 0. We get the quotient 56. How many if pens of 9 rupees are bought? 56 pens. The last question. If pens of 6 rupees are bought for the same amount 504 rupees, how many more pens would get than those of 9 rupees? Here at first we have to find the number of pens of 6 rupees are bought. To find out this, divide 504 by 6. 504 divided by 6. Take the first digit 5. 5 is less than 6. Take the next digit also. We get the number 50. There is not 50 in the multiplication table of 6. We have to take 48. How many times? 8 times. 8 into 6, 48. 50 minus 48, 2. Write down this 4 here. We get the number 24. 4 times. 4 into 6, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. We get the quotient 84. So, number of pens of 6 rupees are bought 84 pens. Students, how many more pence would get than those of 9 rupees? How many pence of 9 rupees are bought? 56 pence. To find out the more pence would get than those of 9 rupees, we have to subtract 56 from 84. 84 minus 56. We can't subtract 6 from 4, so borrow 1 from 8. 4 becomes 14 and 8 becomes 7. 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 5, 2. 28. So, how many more pence would get than those of 9 rupees? 28 pence. Look at the next question. Raju had 140 gooseberries and he sold them at 8 rupees for 5. How much money did he get? Listen students, Raju had 140 gooseberries and he sold at 8 rupees for 5 gooseberries. Here at first we have to find the number of 5s in 140. That means how many 5s are there in 140. To find out this, divide 140 by 5. 140 divided by 5. Take the first digit 1. 1 is less than 5. Take the next digit also. We get the number 14. There is not 14 in the multiplication table of 5. So we have to take 10. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 5, 10. 14 minus 10, 4. Write down this 0 here. We get the number 40. 8 times. 8 into 5, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. We get the quotient 28. Students, how much is the price for 5 gooseberries? Yes, 8 rupees. So, to find out the money he got, multiply 28 and 8. 28 into 8. 8 into 8, 64. 4 here, 6 is the carryover. 8 into 2, 16 plus 6, 22. 224. How much money did he get? 224 rupees.
Children, you have to practice all these activities very well. And also there is a textual activity for you. See you in the next class. Thank you.